takhamuti ta Lelidolobha tilungisela lilanga lesihlanu tinganamanti. Kukholakala ukuthi Lelidolobha linetakho nqandi tandvulo. Masipala weSolplaki uthi ufuna sisombululo lesingumanqoba. Kepha umholi we-DA Hendrik Peterson akanathemba.
Unfortunately, this will not be our last water shutdown. We had our first water shutdown we experienced in 2018.
Umholi we-caucus EFF Pochomochwane uthi yindzala lenkinga yemanti.
We cannot have a situation whereby a problem is being inherited from one administration to the other, because this problem has been existing for 5 to 10 years.
Masipala weSolplaki uthi bafuna kushintsha letakho nqandi kanti masipala wehlulekile ukudzalula ukuthi utodla malini lo msebenzi.
The only cost that we will be incurring will be this minor cost that we will be doing, like your trucks and all of those things, but it's not something major because work will be done from the municipality.
Kagiso Sonyoni longisodolobha uthi emaloli lathwala emanti atobe athelela abantu emanti kulelidolobha.
The permanent solution that we will be having is to make sure that we are replacing these pipes, to make sure that we remove the old infrastructure and replace them with the new infrastructure.
Lo msinga loshisayo kulelidolobha awusithi ndzawo. Takhamuti tiyanxuswa ukuthi tisebenzise emanti ngekucophelela.